Welcome back, everyone. Have you ever wondered how you can bring old black and white photos to life with vibrant colors? Well, in today's video, we're going to explore an incredible tool that uses artificial intelligence to do just that. So, let's dive right in. Simply open your preferred web browser and search for AVCLabs PhotoPro AI. Once you've downloaded the program, you'll see a simple and user-friendly interface. The first step is to upload your black and white image. Then just click Colorize. The AI Colorize tool will start processing it. This might take a few seconds, depending on the size and complexity of the image. Now the AI has worked its magic and brought the image to life with vibrant colors. But that's not all. The AI Colorize tool offers various customization options too. Click on Adjust Color that allow you to adjust the saturation, brightness, and contrast of the colorized image. This is particularly helpful if you want to fine-tune the colors to match your preferences or the aesthetic you're aiming for. Play around with these settings until you're satisfied with the result. Finally, you can click here to see the comparison before and after photo Colorize. If you are satisfied with the effect, just click Save. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.